Okay, so this is real life. I don't really even have very much time to do this, so I'm going to quickly grab a lipstick today. This is day 15. Day 15, don't look in the bag, move around a little. Okay, so I'm literally holding my phone, so sorry if it's a little shaky. Oh, okay. I like this lipstick. Sorry, my phone's just going off. It's the Rouge Edition by Bourjois, and it is in the shade 02. I believe you can still get your hands on this. What's the name? I don't know. The sticker came off. I think it's like Trench or something like that. Where is the name? I thought there was a name on this one. It's just the shade 02. It's a lovely, gorgeous nude that looks like this. I'll swatch it on my lips for you guys. Gotta love holding it. This is a My Lips But Better, a little more gray undertoned nude. It does have like a grayish, I believe it's called like Trench or something like around that lines. The sticker must have just came off recently because there was a sticker on this. I just know it's shade 2. I don't know, but I love this formula. It's so creamy, it's so pigmented. It is a perfect nude. I'm literally heading out the door and I'm super busy. I should actually quickly show you a swatch on my hand here. I'll show you guys a swatch on my hand because it does swatch a little different on the hand. So it just looks like this. There's a sneak peek of more lipsticks to come. So halfway through day 15, done and dusted. Definitely recommend the Bourjois lipsticks that look like this in this black packaging. I absolutely love this color and I have to get more colors because I really do like them. Ignore all the boxes in the back. Still planning to move in a month. The house has just been delayed a little bit, but yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys for day 16 tomorrow. Take care. Hello. Okay, so this is the start of the week. This is going to be day 15 and also 16. I'm going to do 2 days today because yesterday, which was supposed to be the day 15 of the lipstick challenge, I actually didn't get around to doing it at all because it got dark when I got home and I didn't want to do it in the dark because I did one day where I did it in the dark and I used like indoor lighting and it just looked terrible. So I don't want to do indoor lighting. So just bear with me. I'm still going to get the 15th lipstick in and the 16th lipstick in. It's just going to be a double one this time. So I'm going to pick out a lipstick to do for day 15. Okay. It's a Gerard Cosmetic lipstick. I don't personally buy from Gerard Cosmetics anymore. I don't think I ever will. Just because of the whole thing that went down. I'm not going to get into it, but I do like this color that I ended up getting from Gerard Cosmetics, and it is the color Underground. I'm sure there's other companies that have shades like this, but it's the only one I have in mind, so I threw it in. This is the shade Underground, and it's kind of like it's a very quite unique kind of color. It almost looks like purpley grayish kind of tone. It swatches like this. Okay, it is a brownie gray undertoned lipstick. I really don't think I have anything like this. If you guys know an alternative to this lipstick, the Underground for Gerard Cosmetics, please let me know because I really don't like to talk about Gerard Cosmetics all that much. I know people can change and everything like that, and if she has and learned from her mistakes, awesome. But as like somebody who's professional, I think she really messed up and it was very unprofessional of her. But anyway, the Gerard Cosmetic lipstick Underground, I do like this lipstick. There's actually, I have only 2 lipsticks from Gerard Cosmetics. And I like both shades. One thing I hate is that when I have to hold my finger on here or it just rolls back down. For the price, I don't think the lipstick is anything amazing. It's on the drier side. The packaging is a little wonky. And I don't know, I just wasn't impressed, but I do quite like this color. It's not for everybody. It's definitely on my lips looks more gray undertoned, but if you like a nude gray, Underground is nice. I'm sure there's other companies out there that have something similar to this. So there's Underground. I do like this shade. I don't wear it very much at all because I don't even like when people ask me out, like if I'm in public and they're like, what lipstick are you wearing? I love that. And I'm like, oh, it's by Dread Cosmetics Underground, because I don't like to support a company. But I will give them the benefit of the doubt. I haven't heard anything bad since or anything like that. So I thought I would throw it into the thing because it is something really unique, and I want to know if anybody knows a color like this that can replace it. It does kind of let your teeth look a little yellowy, so just bear that in mind. Okay, so I'm just going to take this off and do the 16th lipstick. Bear with me. Okay, back for the 16th lipstick. So today is Tuesday, March 27th, and it is my 16th day for lipsticks, and I'm gonna pick one out. Oh, right, okay. This one's a nice one. Now this one is called Stiletto, and this one is really, really pretty. This is the Life on the Dance Floor by Makeup Revolution's guest list lipstick in Stiletto. It's a big mouthful, so it's Makeup Revolution's lipstick in Stiletto. All you really need to know is Stiletto. They don't have another lipstick called Stiletto. It is in the rose gold sparkly packaging. It's supposed to go with the guest list palette, which I absolutely love, and it really does. It complements it lovely because it's the guest list palette is very orange and corally kind of color, so it's nice to have this kind of brown. I'm gonna swatch it beside the last lipstick I just did, which, okay, so that's the Dread Cosmetics one, and this is the Stiletto one. As you can see, it's definitely more of an orangey brown undertoned nude, if that makes any sense. Really makes the other color look, you can see the difference. Okay, so I like this formula. It is creamy, but kind of matte, so I like that. It goes on really, really nice. It's not one of my favorite shades on me, personally. I was hoping it was a little deeper of a brown, but it is really, really nice. And I think in the summertime, it'll go okay. What do you guys think? I don't know if it clashes with my hair. I am going to be lightening my hair because it's gone. The camera picks it up to be really like orangey blonde. It's not that orangey blonde in person. I don't know why on camera it always does. It is more of a lighter blonde, and I did just try to lighten it a little with purple shampoo, but I am planning to dye it even lighter and lighter. So yeah, I don't quite know what I'm doing with my hair, but I think that's the gist of it. But that's the color Stiletto. I don't know if I like the formula of these lipsticks by Makeup Revolution. I pretty much like all of Makeup Revolution's lipsticks, if I'm completely honest. They have some really great colors and shades, and these ones are beautiful, and they go really great with the palettes. So yeah, I highly recommend this one. The formula is lovely. It's not one that's going to slip and slide, but it's not drying where it's like, oh, my lips, I need to take this off. It's not like that in any way, shape, or form. So just bear that in mind. It's a great formula. So thank you so much for watching. I will check you guys back tomorrow. If that makes any sense, I don't even know. I'll see you tomorrow for day 17 lipstick. Thank you. See you. Bye-bye. Welcome back. Okay, so this is day 17. I believe. Yes, I'm pretty sure it is. So onto this lipstick. I'm just going to be doing this really quick. I'm so busy lately. Okay. All right. Yeah, I love this one. This is Makeup Revolution's You're a Star lipstick. So it's the black packaging that looks like this from Makeup Revolution. And it's kind of like the rose gold inside. And You're a Star, which is like one of my favorite lipsticks. Along with the Chauffeur shade, is probably it's just that perfect neutral pink lipstick. So creamy. This is one that you need to reapply over and over again. It will come off when you drink and when you eat, but it is like the perfect nude. It is like a pinky, it's not even pink actually. It's like has more of a really neutral beigey peach kind of undertone to it. If that makes any sense. So that's what it looks like, and that is one of my favorite lipsticks from Makeup Revolution. I know it doesn't seem like it's one of my favorites, but I have so many lipsticks, I do try to get through them all. But this is a shade that I love, and I find you do not need to like layer it on and layer it on. It is one of my favorites. I like Chauffeur as well. So yeah, that's one of my favorite nudes. I have so many nudes that I love that I literally don't even think I could pick my top 10. I'm not sure. But anyway, that is one of my favorites. You have seen a lot of my favorites nudes so far, and this is definitely one of them as well. You're a Star from Makeup Revolution. If you don't have this one, please, if you love comfortable wearable lipsticks that don't dry your lips out, this is definitely one of them. So thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for coming and watching. So I have a video for you guys today. I'm doing the 18th day of my 30-day lipstick challenge. I'm actually live right now on YouNow. So if you're not on YouNow, check it out. It's really quite fun. I'm really liking it. I just do it for fun. I love meeting new people. So I'm gonna pick a lipstick. And the lipstick is actually a Maybelline lipstick, and it's a matte, and it's Magnetic Magenta 950. So that is the lipstick we're gonna put on. And yeah, so I'm doing 2 videos at once. This is quite fun, but so it just looks like this. It's just a really, really magenta kind of color. So here we go. Oh my gosh, that is really, really bright actually. Pucker up those lips, huh? This is a color I don't really reach for all that much. I like the formula though. I think it is really nice formula. I hope you can see it. So yeah, just putting on this lovely magenta. Like this color. That's day 18 wrapped up, done and dusted. So see you guys for day 19. Thanks. Bye. Hello. I'm hoping this is gonna work. I'm not using my stand at the moment because it's just not near me. So I'm gonna quickly do lipstick 20 today out of the bag. So we'll take something. Okay. One of my all-time favorite lipsticks. So it is the Makeup Revolution Chauffeur lipstick. This is actually gonna work perfectly with my look today. So I'm really happy about that. So the packaging is just gorgeous. I love the packaging of this, and this is Chauffeur. I'm gonna put it on my lips, but I need my other hand. So I love this. It's super creamy, super pigmented. I'm literally doing this without a mirror. Hopefully that looks all right. My setup today is just all over the place. And I'll show you a swatch of it on my hand. I love this formula. If you haven't tried this lipstick, please give this lipstick a try. It is so beautiful. It's so pigmented. It is one you will have to reapply throughout the day because it is not a matte. They do have a matte version of Chauffeur that lasts a little bit longer on the lips. The colors are a smidgen different, but they're pretty close. So this is the Chauffeur. Hopefully you can see that. I'm hoping this is working. This is like a hit and miss. This is like vlogging, basically. I can't see what I'm doing even. I'm just taking a guess. But yeah, that's Chauffeur. I hope you can see it and that you like it. And yeah, that's the lipstick 20 today. So I messed up this whole week because I forgot I did lipstick 15. So in the video, you are probably seeing like little clippets wrong. I was day 16 and 17 and stuff like that. I had the days all mixed up this week. It's been a really, really busy week for me. A lot of changes in my household as my husband has gotten a new job. So it's kind of thrown me off schedule and quite tired because he's kind of coming at different times, coming home late and like really late. And yeah, so yeah, that's lipstick 20 of the 30-day lipstick challenge. See you for 21. Hello, welcome back. So I'm doing day 21. I can't believe I'm on day 21. But to be honest with you, next week's gonna be a struggle just as much as this week was a struggle. Yeah, this has been a tough week. The first 2 weeks seemed to be a lot easier. This week has definitely been a tough one. So it is Sunday, I'm doing lipstick 21. I hope I didn't miss any this week. I know I messed up this whole week. I was like wrong days, and it's been hectic. So please bear with me. Hopefully this coming week will be the last week and be done and dusted. So this video is obviously up on Monday, but the next video will not be up till Thursday. So just bear that in mind, because I have to add 2 extra days to the video because I have to do a Monday and a Tuesday as well. So I'll edit it on Wednesday and have it up for you guys on Thursday. So just remember that. Okay, so lipstick 20. Okay, lipstick, this is gonna kind of clash, I think, with my eyes, but it doesn't matter. It's a Wet n Wild. I love this color. It is Raven Raisin. I love the Wet n Wild lipsticks. You guys know it's just a lovely, I don't want to put too much of it on because it does stain a little bit. So this one will stain your lips. It kind of comes off okay and kind of evenly, but not too evenly. It definitely will wear in the middle, and the outside will kind of stain. But these lipsticks are beautiful. But I find with these lipsticks, especially the darker ones, they do wear off kind of strange. Not great. But I don't mind for the price. What are these, like €4 or €5 or something like that? I think they're €5. Taking them off and reapplying. Yeah, this is really not gonna go with my red eyes today. You can really build this color up. And you can go really dark with it. I love this lipstick, Raven Raisin. It is a gorgeous dark purple. That's exactly what it is. It is a dark purple. Excuse me, my nose is itchy. And like I said, it is kind of clashing with the eyes. I don't really like it with the makeup I'm wearing. I like to wear this with a very neutral, very dark lip, neutral eye. Love this lipstick. So I will see you guys for the last final part 4 on Thursday. Just remember, it will be up next Thursday. So this one is day 21.